In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed or share your Google Calendar in WordPress websites for free. Whether you're managing events for a personal project or coordinating a team, having your Google Calendar visible on your WordPress site can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to obtain your Google Calendar embed code. Start by opening Google Calendar in your browser. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel to find the specific calendar you intend to share. Hover over this calendar and click on the three dots that appear. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll want to select Settings and Sharing. Now scroll down until you reach the section labeled Integrate Calendar. Here you'll find a box labeled Embed Code. Go ahead and copy the code from this box. If you wish to tweak how your calendar will look on your site, you have the option to hit Customize. This allows you to modify colors, choose your default view, be it week, month, or agenda, and adjust the size according to your preference. With your Google Calendar embed code in hand, let's turn our attention to your WordPress site, particularly if you're using the Gutenberg block editor. Start by opening the page or post where you'd like to embed your calendar. Look for the option to add a new block by clicking the plus add block button located in your editor toolbar. When you choose this option, you'll see a range of block types to select from. Go ahead and select Custom HTML for this purpose. Once you've added the custom HTML block to your page, it's time to paste in the Google Calendar embed code that you copied earlier. Simply paste the code into the block and you're nearly there. Before finalizing everything, it's always wise to take a moment to preview your page to ensure everything looks just the way you want it to. Finally, when you're satisfied with the appearance, go ahead and click Publish or Update to make your calendar live for all to see. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded your Google Calendar onto your WordPress site for everyone to view. This integration means sharing your schedule has never been easier, making it perfect for keeping your audience informed about events, deadlines, or meetings. Remember, the look and feel of your calendar can always be customized further to better fit the aesthetic of your site, ensuring both functionality and design appeal. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps keep your days efficiently scheduled